Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a bad electric AC compressor? If you own a hybrid vehicle such as Toyota Prius, or you own an electric vehicle such as Tesla, most likely you're going to have an electric AC compressor. One way to tell if you have an electric AC compressor or not is to look for a pulley. If you see that the AC compressor do not have a pulley, then you most likely going to have an electric AC compressor. Also, if you see a bright orange connector sticking out, it may be orange, it may be yellow color. Again, most likely you're going to have an electric AC compressor. If you have an electric AC compressor, your AC compressor is more sensitive compared to a typical AC compressor that is driven by a serpentine belt. And if anything goes wrong in the AC system, this can definitely affect the electric AC compressor. As mentioned earlier, the electric AC compressor is very sensitive, and if you have a leak somewhere in your AC system, this will definitely destroy your electric AC compressor. So the first sign that you know that your AC compressor is on its way out is going to be your AC is blowing warm air. Another sign that you know that your electric AC compressor is failing is going to be noise. If you notice whining noise or ticking noise, or if your electric AC compressor sounds like a very loud industrial fan, that could be another sign that your electric AC compressor is failing. You may notice your electric AC compressor noise may be more consistent when outdoor temperature is higher, or number two, when you are supercharging your electric vehicle. The next sign that you know that your electric AC compressor is failing is that you're going to get some sort of codes. If you're getting some sort of HVAC code that is stating that the rotational speed is too great or too small, then you know your electric AC compressor is failing. There are a lot of reasons why electric AC compressor fail, and the number one reason is going to be not maintaining your AC system. For example, if your freon level falls too low, this can destroy the electric AC compressor. And if you add too much freon in the AC system, this can also destroy the electric AC compressor. And if you have a leak in your AC system, this can also destroy your electric AC compressor. Your electric AC compressor can prematurely fail when it runs too hot. For example, lack of freon, lack of lubricant, or there's a clog somewhere in the AC system, or the electric fan probably fell, or the AC condenser is probably full of leaves and it's preventing air from flowing through it, and this will cause inadequate cooling. For some electric vehicle or hybrid vehicle, when the AC compressor runs too hot, the computer might actually deactivate the electric AC compressor and prevent it from running. For most hybrid vehicle or electric vehicle, most of the electric AC compressor is mounted on the bottom end of the engine, and these electric connection over here becomes exposed to water, and when water gets inside the connection, this can cause the pin to corrode, and this can cause an open circuit, and this can also prevent the electric AC compressor from working. When replacing the electric AC compressor, make sure to use the proper lubricant designed for hybrid and electric vehicle. Also, you must add the correct freon level. The AC system is very sensitive, especially for electric vehicles and hybrid system. They are a variable system, and if you add the wrong amount of freon inside the AC system, this can definitely cause the AC compressor or electric AC compressor to prematurely fail. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.